Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can switch hands in CSGO. I'm currently here in CSGO showing you how laggy my game is on my laptop. Because it's, of course, Windows, so please do not play on Windows if you want to play this game optimally. Thank you. Alright, so let me just skip to the part which is important. So here we are on my the spawn. Of course, make sure that your console is enabled first by enabling it on the game settings, on the settings. So the command you need is _, right hand. If it's 1, then your hand is of course on the right. If it's 0, then your hand is on the left. It's that simple. See, it's already on the left. Let's try and switch it up again. Let's say we want to return it to the right hand. You just go back to your console and type down the same command, but this time just with 1. Right hand 1, and as you can see, it's back on the right hand. That is how you switch hands in CSGO. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.